Hello guys, I'm back again to another video, and today I'll be doing an unboxing slash review of this deluxe 5-in-1 lens kit. I just got this in the mail today. I ordered it from eBay on Sunday. It was $14.44. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and a quick review about this product right here. So front, it has a fisheye lens. I believe that is a wide angle lens, a micro lens, telephoto lens, and a GPL lens. So I'm going to crack this baby open real quick. Look at that. Slide it out of that box there. Hold on, let's see here. I've never had one of these kits before, but I hear they're good to add on to your phone to make your phone camera a little bit better for angles that you want. So here is the instructions. It tells you, comes with the clip, as you can see, and it shows you how to put it on your cell phone. And this kit is supposed to be for Android and iPhone, so we'll see. I'm going to try to test it out on my iPhone first, but that's what the instruction looks like. Who needs it? That to the side. Here's the carrying pouch. It's real nice. It's black, hard. You got your little clip, so you can put it on your backpack, clip it to your belt buckle, however you want to do that. I'm going to open it up. Boom, you get all your little lens. You get your lenses right in there. That's a nice presentation. I like it. You get your cleaner cloth for your lens. However you say that name. Apixel. I don't know if I'm saying it right. But you get your cleaner cloth. You got your little pouch right there. You get your little clip it onto your cell phone. It's nice. And you get your lenses. You get your first lens. You get lens 2, smaller. You get lens 3. You get lens 4. And then what makes it 5 is the clip. I didn't say that, but I'm going to try to throw this on my phone real quick and see what it looked like. And then I'll probably make another video showing you the camera on there and testing it out with lens on the back. So it says it works with iPhone. So we'll see. I don't know if it works with iPhone 7 Plus or not. First, I'm going to try this one. Don't know which one this is, but we're going to try it out. Twist the cap off like that. Boom. You get your lens. That looks nice. I'm guessing you screw that lens into the connector like that. Make sure it's tight. That's what it looks like on the clip. Take your cell phone, which my cell phone is the iPhone 7 Plus. Clip it there. I'm guessing you clip it on like that. I'm guessing that's how you do it, guys. I don't know. Okay, yeah. You clip it like that. Then cut your phone on. Do this behind the camera real quick. Boom. You go to that camera. Hold on, guys. Let me see something. I don't know. Oh, okay. You see the hold on, guys. I have the lens on there. I don't know if you can see it that good, what the lens is on there. It's on the back. I'll have to test it out a little later and see what it's like, because like I said, this was just a quick unboxing and a quick look at it, but it'll fit on your lens, it'll fit on your screen like so. It looks kind of, it looks kind of tacky, but it is what it is. I guess you can fit it that way too. Excuse me. It'll probably be better that way on the iPhone 7 Plus, since it has 2 cameras. See, I don't know if this is really built for 1 camera or 2 cameras. I didn't read about that. I just, picked up the device and no, it will not work sideways. So you have to have it up and down like so. You have to have it up and down like so. I'm guessing, I don't know what, I'm seeing some little flurries in there. But I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit, because like I said, I just got it just a minute ago. Mail just came, so I just whipped it out, showing you what it looks like. But like I said, it's a kit, 5-in-1, the deluxe 5-in-1 kit. Purchase this off of eBay, and I will try to have another video ready for you guys real soon after I test out the cameras and see the right way you're supposed to use the cameras. Because right now I'm not quite sure, but I was just letting you see that this is the new product I'll be playing with. Let me open up the caps for you guys one more for the time. That's what they look like. It's clean. Looks nice, and it don't feel plastic. It's like metal around here, so it's good quality. It's good quality, I'm sure. But just let me know in the comment section below if you use these to take photos or whatever. I just wanted to test them out, because I hear a lot of people talking about these little lenses, so I just wanted to test it out and see, what it's about. But like I said, I'll get back on here with an in-depth video talking about the product a little bit more on a later date. But I was just getting on here letting you know that this is what I have, this is what I'll be playing with. And if I like it, I will order more. If not, I might send it back if I don't like it. We'll see. We'll see. Because like I said, I really don't know how this works. But I'll test it out. Let me see one more time. Let me see, guys. Let's see here. I don't know what that one does. I'm not able tell the difference. The picture's a little squarer than it was before, guys. But like I said, just rate, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Tell Pookie, Nunu, Grandma, Grandpa, if they like technology, to come check my channel out. It is Kia Billingsley 76, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.